The San Francisco General Hospital was a good environment. We were actually located in 3 different buildings, and our administration was several blocks away from the laboratories. And we were out of space at San Francisco General Hospital. We could not grow. We decided that we were going to have to do something different. At exactly that time, UCSF was considering how they would expand. And about 1999, they decided that Mission Bay was the right location.
Gladstone shortly after made that bold move to join UCSF here. The risk of making an investment and the cost of building this building, which was half of its endowment, basically in terms of value of what the expense was extraordinary.
This was actually just the second building at Mission Bay at the time. The rest were all warehouses and railroad tracks, but you could envision this vast space that was going to be developed for biomedical research. It felt like I was on the frontier, and that was really exciting, and I wanted to be a part of that.
We actually finished construction 4 or 5 months ahead of schedule and several $million under budget. And we started moving into the building in October of 2004.
It was really exciting. I think the building is beautiful. We actually got to know each other much better, and a lot more interaction, lot more collaborations.
When we first came, the initial impression was that there was all this space and all this open space that we really weren't used to.
The Mission Bay campus has the highest level of scientific discovery that you'd find anywhere. Coupled with that, there are a number of venture capital headquarters here, biotech companies, and the mix together creates an environment and an ecosystem that really promotes innovation.
And all of that is in the mix of a computational revolution which is going on in Silicon Valley and in San Francisco, where they can help us with software and computational needs, which are increasingly important in understanding biology.
I think moving to this new building at Mission Bay fundamentally changed the trajectory of the Gladstone Institutes. If you look back at the people we've been able to recruit, the talent from around the world, that likely would not have been possible had we not been at Mission Bay in this community and in this wonderful physical facility.